We are designing and manufacturing ammunition assembly lines for the defense industry. Our line consists of the primary inserting machine, the sealing machine, the loading machine, the visual inspection machine, and finally the automatic packaging machine. So empty cases are fed to conveyors and bunkers to the first station, and the primer are inserted and securely fixed on the cases after some controls done by the machines. After the next station is the sealing machine. Prime cases are simultaneously sealed, so an asphaltic sealant is applied around the primer and also into the case neck at the same time. After the prime cases are sealed, the next station takes over. This is the loading station. The powder is loaded to the case and the bullet is securely fixed and crimped on the cases. After the loading station, the loading process, there is a weight check station which controls every cartridge's weight in order to complete the quality controls one. After that, there is a visual inspection machine. The operator is only looking at the surfaces of the completed cartridge in case there is an imperfection on it. And finally, when all the controls are done, there is the final station, that is the automatic packaging machine. And here the completed cartridge are automatically boxed and filled into boxes, and the box are folded, and then the process is completed. As Yeter Makina, it is our first time exhibiting in the DSA exhibitions. DSA 2026 as the first experience permitted us to reunite with our Asian partners here in Malaysia and also create and establish new relationship and potential partnership with new persons, new companies.